What's up, guys? Today we're talking about the electronic parking brake, EPB, on your Chevy Silverado. It swaps the old handbrake lever for a simple button. Easy. But sometimes after a battery change or a random glitch, you'll see a brake warning light or notice the EPB acting up. A quick reset usually fixes it. No special tools needed. Just a few minutes of your time. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Car Care Fix. If you're new here, this is the place for simple, practical car care tips and fixes you can do yourself. So make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. The reset method step by step. 1. Sit in the truck, close all doors. Turn the ignition to on. Don't start the engine. 2. Sir, press and hold the brake pedal. 3. Press the EPB switch down to release the brake, hold 3 seconds. 4. Pull the EPB switch up to apply the brake. Hold 3 seconds. 5. Repeat that release apply cycle 2 more times. 6. Turn off the ignition, wait 30 seconds. 7. Turn the ignition back on and check for warning lights. No lights, no lights. You're done. Checking your work. Start the engine and watch the dashboard during the bulb check. All the warning lights flash on. Then most turn off after a few seconds. If the brake light goes out, you're good. Now test the EPB itself. Pull up to engage, press down to release, and watch that the dashboard light responds each time. If it doesn't work, light still on or EPB not responding right, don't stress. Just run the reset again carefully. Check your connections. If it's still stuck after a second try, that likely points to a hardware or sensor issue, and it's time to call a mechanic or your dealership. Brakes aren't something to gamble on. Get it looked at. And that's it for today's fix. If this video helped you out, drop a like and hit subscribe for more car care tips. Got questions or a car problem you want me to cover? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. This has been Car Care Fix.